Here. Oh, by the way, look around. Look around. Yeah, it's Christmas. We're skiing. We're not going to the beach. We're staying in the cold. But we also brought a mountain soda. Perfect for the occasion.
Yeah. OSKAR Blues B Stiff root beer. A Colorado favorite.
It tastes like root beer.
Good. As advertised.
While you were skiing, you shook it up.
Oh yeah, sorry. How does it taste?
A little bit more sweet root beer.
Yeah. Is it good for a long day on the slopes?
Yes.
Excellent.
Skier incoming.
Yeah. How many stars on the star rating?
I'd say 4.5.
4.5. Good. That's pretty good. All right. Anything else you want to add before my hands freeze?
Nope.
Okay. Signing off. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.